Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, I'm so sorry I've not posted this Gele tutorial for you guys. If you remember when I post the makeup of this look for you guys, so I'm very sorry that I'm posting the Gele now. I've been so busy to edit it, that is why. So at first I create my plates. I create like 4 plates. So now I'm extending the plates now. I'm extending the plates. So I'm still extending the plates now. So I'll be showing you the back now. So I'm going back now to cross the both. And so guys, for this Gele ratio is 70-30 ratio. 70-30 ratio. So after crossing it, I'll be bringing the 70 part of the Gele back to the front. So just look at what I'm doing guys. This Gele is not hard. It's not hard. So now I'm just creating my pleats now. I'm making my pleats. I allow my pleats to lap on top each other, but you have to do your pleat to be not to be too small and not to be too big. Just do it moderate. So just look at what I'm doing guys. I'm just picking the Gele little by little, not too much, extending it to the other side. So that is what I'm still doing. I'm still creating my plates. I'm very sorry if my hand is blocking you guys for you not to see it. I'm very sorry. I'm so sorry about that. You know, we horrible like this now. We horrible like this. So now I'll be going back now to tie it. So I'm just picking the plate that I created at the front. I'm picking it little by little. So after that, I will now tie it with the other 30 parts of the hand. That's what I'm doing now. So you have to tight your Gele to be very firm. Tell your model to hold it at the both side for you at the front, so that the Gele will not remove. So now I'm just using my hand to pick the plate now, bringing it to the front. So I will now place it on top of the last plate that I created at the front. So just look at what I'm doing now. I want my Gele to be high. That is why I'm doing this. To tie this Gele, I can't say it's very hard and I can't say it's very simple. You just have to take your time when tying it. You know, I do told you guys, if you are tying your Gele, you have to take your time. Don't be in a hurry to tie your Gele. Don't be in a hurry to tie it, because if you're in a hurry to tie your Gele, you won't achieve what you really want. So guys, please, if you really like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friends. Share this video and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at glambeauty30. So, and if you have any Gele you want me to do tutorial on, you can send it to me on my Instagram. DM me and send me the picture. So guys, I'm just creating my plate. I'm adjusting the plate that I created now. That's what I'm still doing now. I'm very sorry if my hand is blocking you. I'm very sorry about that. So I'm still just adjusting it, because the stone that is in the Gele really give me stress when tying this Gele. So but I just still try my best to make the gele come out possible. So I'm just still adjusting it. I'm adjusting it now. So guys, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell for you guys to know whenever I upload a new video. So I'm still adjusting it. So now I'm still adjusting the gele, extending the pleat that I created. So just look at the way I'm doing my hand. I'm bringing back the pleat that I created. I'm bringing it back to the front. So now I'm extending it now to the other side now. This gele can be very tricky, guys, but you just have to take your time. Just have to take your time when tying it. I just want my gele to be round up as possible. So if you notice, you will see that the other side, you will see that the other side is more higher than the other side. Guys, I cannot come and kill myself. I'm very tired. That is why I just go back, do the finishing. I'm very tired. My hand has started paining me, so I just do it like that. So, but if you are tying it, guys, you can still do more than this, so you can still go back, adjust it the way you want. But my hand has started paining me. That is why I just go back and do it like that. Because if you notice the other side, this side, yes, this side is more beautiful more than this other side. Yes, so if you are tying yours, guys, you can just still go back and adjust it. So see you next time, guys. Love you.